Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on location services on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Tap on Safety and Privacy option. Then select Location option. To turn on location services on Yubo, turn on Use by Location option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.